Title: Building a Production-Ready AI Model, End-to-End Workflow from Data Collection to Deployment. Intro. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's becoming increasingly relevant in today's tech landscape: building a production-ready AI model. If you're a data scientist, machine learning engineer, or simply someone interested in understanding how AI models are developed and deployed, this video is for you. We'll be walking through the entire end-to-end workflow, starting from data collection and going all the way to deployment. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Section 1: Understanding the Importance of AI Models. Before we dive into the workflow, let's take a moment to understand why we're building AI models in the first place. AI models have the potential to automate tasks, provide insights from data, and enhance decision-making processes across various industries. From healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment, AI is revolutionizing how we approach problems. However, building a production-ready AI model is not just about coding algorithms. It involves a structured approach that ensures the model is robust, scalable, and reliable. Section 2: Data Collection. The first step in our workflow is data collection. Data is the backbone of any AI model. Without high-quality data, your model's performance is likely to be subpar. The data you collect should be relevant to the problem you're trying to solve. For instance, if you're building a model to predict customer churn, you'll want data on customer behavior, demographics, and previous interactions with your service. There are several ways to collect data. You can gather it from existing databases, use APIs to extract data from external sources, or conduct surveys and experiments to generate new data. Whichever method you choose, ensure you have the necessary permissions and considerations in mind regarding data privacy and ethics. Once you have your data, the next step is to clean and pre-process it. Section 3: Data Cleaning and Pre-Processing. Data cleaning is a crucial step in preparing your data for analysis. This process involves identifying and handling missing values, removing duplicates, and correcting inconsistencies in your data. For example, if you're working with customer data, you might encounter instances where a customer's name is spelled differently in different records. Ensuring uniformity is key. Pre-processing also includes transforming your data into a format that can be easily understood by your model. This might involve normalizing numerical values, encoding categorical variables, and even feature engineering. Feature engineering is the process of creating new features from your existing data, which can significantly enhance the performance of your model. It's all about providing your model with the right information to learn from. Section 4: Exploring and Analyzing Data. Once your data is cleaned and pre-processed, the next step is exploratory data analysis, EDA. EDA is a critical part of the data science process where you visualize and analyze your data to uncover patterns, trends, and relationships. This step allows you to understand the underlying structure of your data and identify any potential issues that may need to be addressed before building your model. Use various data visualization techniques, such as histograms, scatterplots, and boxplots, to reveal insights. Statistical analysis can also help you understand correlations and distributions within your data. A thorough exploration will not only aid in feature selection but also inform your modeling choices later on. Section 5: Model Selection. With a solid understanding of your data, it's time to choose the right model for your task. The model selection process can be daunting, as there are countless algorithms available, ranging from linear regression to complex deep learning models. The choice of model largely depends on the nature of your data and the type of problem you're trying to solve. For instance, if you're working with a classification problem, you might explore options like logistic regression, decision trees, or support vector machines. For regression tasks, consider linear regression or more advanced methods like gradient boosting. If you're dealing with unstructured data such as images or text, deep learning models like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, or recurrent neural networks, RNNs, could be appropriate. Keep in mind that simplicity is often preferable. Start with a baseline model to establish a performance benchmark, and then iterate on it with more complex models as needed. Section 6: Model Training. Now that you've selected a model, it's time to train it using your data. During this phase, you'll split your data into training and validation sets. The training set is used to fit the model, while the validation set helps you evaluate its performance and avoid overfitting. Overfitting occurs when the model learns the noise in the training data rather than the underlying patterns, which can lead to poor performance on unseen data. Monitor performance metrics relevant to your problem, such as accuracy, precision, recall, or mean-squared error. Utilize techniques like cross-validation to ensure your model generalizes well across different subsets of data. Experiment with hyperparameter tuning to optimize your model's performance. Hyperparameters are the settings that govern the training process, and fine-tuning them can lead to significant improvements. Section 7, Model Evaluation. After training your model, it's critical to evaluate its performance on a separate test dataset that it hasn't seen before. This step helps you assess how well the model will perform in the real world. Use various evaluation metrics that align with your business objectives and the specific problem you're solving. For classification tasks, metrics such as confusion matrix, F1 score, and ROZUC curve can provide valuable insights. For regression tasks, look at metrics like R-squared and root mean square error, RMSE. Analyzing these metrics will guide you in determining whether your model is ready for deployment or if further iterations are needed. Section 8, Model Interpretation. As you prepare for deployment, don't overlook the importance of model interpretability. Understanding how your model makes decisions is crucial, especially in fields like healthcare or finance, where accountability and transparency are paramount. Tools and frameworks such as SHAP, Shapley Additive Explanations, and LIME, Local Interpretable Model Agnostic Explanations, can help you interpret the predictions made by your model. Share insights with stakeholders and ensure that the model aligns with business objectives. A model that provides accurate predictions but is not interpretable may not be acceptable in many industries. Section 9, Model Deployment. Once you're satisfied with your model's performance and interpretability, it's time to deploy it into a production environment. Deployment can take various forms, from integrating the model into an existing application to creating a standalone service. Consider using platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure to host your model. Containerization technologies like Docker can facilitate easy deployment by encapsulating the model and its dependencies. Establish APIs for real-time predictions, and ensure your deployment is scalable. Load balancing strategies and auto-scaling features can help manage traffic effectively. Section 10, Monitoring and Maintenance. The work doesn't end with deployment. Continuous monitoring is essential to ensure your model performs well in the real world. Set up dashboards to track key performance indicators, KPIs, and identify any degradation in performance over time. Data drift, where the statistical properties of the input data change, can affect model accuracy. Be prepared to retrain your model with new data periodically to maintain its effectiveness. Additionally, pay attention to user feedback and incorporate it into your model improvement process. Building an AI model is an iterative journey, and maintaining an agile mindset will help you adapt to changing conditions and requirements. Section 11, Conclusion. So there you have it, an end-to-end workflow for building a production-ready AI model. From data collection and cleaning to model training, evaluation, deployment, and ongoing maintenance, every step is crucial to the success of your AI project. As AI continues to evolve, understanding these processes will empower you to create more effective, reliable models that can drive real-world impact. Thank you for joining us today on this exploration of AI model development. If you found this video informative, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with building AI models and any challenges you faced. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing the boundaries of technology.